Thikuni ni thutha wa mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga kuga kuri na njama ya kuhuthira ruhonge rwa mbiraru guthoga maumirira ma githurano. Minista wa ugitiri wa mbiraru Rachel Mamo ni augite ruhonge ruu rutikuguoyohio ni mundu o wothe rukigitira a Kenya na indo ciao makiria hindi ya githurano kinene.
Our forces will continue to be the last bastion of hope and security for our people and our country. In this, they will stand firm. They will not falter. They will not run, nor will they buckle in the face of purported intimidation from any quarter.
Makiaria hindi ya gutiriha mathomo ma mwanya ma kibiraru mwena wa Bakasi guku Nairobi, munene wa mbiraru Samson Mwathethe ni augite itanya ria mathomo macio rirari kwihariria ni undu wa ngoiri ngiumana na githurano kinene.
Of exercise Dumisho Tulivu is to prepare our security agencies to be able to respond rapidly and effectively to any incidents of insecurity before, during, and after the forthcoming general elections.
Mwathethe ni ongereire kuuga mbiraru ni iguthingata gatiba ya bururi na mawatho maria magathikitwo atari kwenderera mwena ona uriku miario iria kindiritwo ni minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Joseph Nkaiseri.
We will, as we said, kufanya kazi bila chuki, shauku wala maendeleo wala mapendeleo.
All our security agencies are non-political. They are impartial. They are brave enough to perform their duties. They are non-partisan, and they should and they shall never be intimidated by anybody in the performance of their duty.
Mathomo macio mararehete hamwe anyitite miruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri ari ni hamwe na borithi, mbiraru na thigari cia mutito kwihariria uria mangirutithania wira hamwe ni undu wa mogwati maria mangiumira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.